Okay guys, today I'm picking the winner for the leather wallet, Valentine's gift for him. And I've written all the names here on little strips of paper. So I'm going to fold these up and put these in a jar and just pick from them. You know, had there been more entries, I would have used the automated sites that are out there. There's one, I think it's called givemeit.com or something like that. But I'm just going to fold these up, put them in the jar, and pick from them. So this is the wallet that we'll be sending out. Shaking them up. Would you like to pull it? Okay, I'll do it. And it goes to Stephanie Crane. Hey Stephanie, congrats. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching the video, and contact me. My information is below. Contact me and I will get this wallet out to you ASAP. Thanks girl. And thanks everybody for watching the video and tuning in and entering. I appreciate your support. Thanks guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.